So hello everyone, this is the question we're gonna solve today, and the question we have is the intersection of two arrays. Now this is very similar to how intersection of two sets work if you have studied the concept of sets in mathematics, that generally in class 11th, and it's actually a very basic concept. You'll be given two arrays and all you have to do is to find the common number of both these arrays and put them in the output array. You have to make an output array and you'll have to put the common numbers there. It's pretty simple. Okay, let's see the examples. So I have the example of 1 2 2 1 and the other array of 2 and 2. What are the common numbers? By human intuition we can clearly see that the common numbers are 2 and 2. So yeah, the output is 2 and 2. Then again we have another array named 4 9 5, and then we have 9 4 9 8 9 8 4. Sorry. So well, what are the common numbers? Clearly 4 and 9 are the common numbers, or you can say 9 and 4 if you are traversing it in other way. We can clearly see that this should be the output. This is what common in both the arrays. These two elements appear in both the arrays, right? Yep. The 4 appears one time in this array, it appears once in this. 9 appears one time in this array, it appears once in this. Well, if there might have been one more 4 in this array, we could have written that 4 appears twice in this array and hence it appears twice in this one, and then there could have been one more 4 in the output, but we can clearly see that is not the case. So how will we do this question? Well, it's not a very difficult question. The brute force approach might be that you can have a pointer on this first array and then you can traverse the second array trying to find that element, which is actually a pretty simple approach. So for every element of this array will be running the second array the whole times. So if the size of first array is m and the size of the second array is n, so your time complexity for that approach would be m into n, that is O of m into n for a brute force approach. Okay, for now let's please ignore this one, ignore all this for now, just focus that a brute force approach that we are thinking will have a time complexity of m into n, where m is the elements of first array and n would be the element of second array, because for each element of first array I would be traversing the whole second array potentially to find that if that element exists in the second array or not. So what else can be done? The optimal approach in this question would be sorting both the arrays. Well, sorting can easily be done by any of the sorting algorithms. I would prefer any algorithm that would give you n log n time complexity, or you can use the STL function which applies same algorithms, O of n log n. So as you can see, I have written a solution here. This is my own solution that I wrote in leetcode, and I sorted the first and the second array, and then I placed pointers at both of their starts. So I placed a pointer I here and I placed another pointer j here. Now what will I do? I will see, since the arrays are sorted, then the values would, if they are same, the values would be numerically equal, right? If they exist in the array. So, well, yes. If not, whichever value is smaller, I would just traverse across that array till the end. So till both of the sizes of the arrays are traversed, I will be traversing the arrays, and if they are equal, for example, they are equal here, then I will be putting 4 in answer array. Let this one be answer or result array, right? Right. Now since both of them are equal, then I will be increasing both of their pointers. I would come here and J would come here, and now I can clearly see that J, the value at J is smaller than the value at I. So what will I do? I will simply, and these values are not equal as well. So what will I do? I will simply increase the value at J. Clear? Clear. Then I will again check that are these values equal? I can see that the values are not equal. So I would increase i's counter because this time I was lesser. So you basically increase the counter of whatever element is smaller, any of the arrays, and you do it until the counters reach the size of the array. Is that clear? Yes. So is 8 and 9 equal? No. So what will I increase? I will increase the smaller one, that's 8. Is 9 and 9 equal? Yes. Both of these values would increase, J would come here, but what happened? I exceeded the array size. Hence the while loop will be broken. And since 9 were equal in the last step, 9 was put into the answer array. This would be the answer, as we can see. I have done one mistake in this code, that I have put an equal sign here. Well, this would not trigger an error as I have already handled equal cases above, but it would not be a good practice to put an equal sign here. Well, for now that will be it, and I guess that's all. Thank you for watching. This is the LeetCode daily question of 2nd of July, and I will be back with more such questions.